Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
And we are at Toy Fair 2018 getting ready to look at what's new from Barbie. This year, Barbie has a new TV series coming out on Netflix called Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures, where we get to see the lives of Barbie and her sisters. These are some of the playsets that we will see in the series. There is a grocery store. It is very detailed. You can see magazines and a grocery cart. And there are several products that they can buy. There is a salon. It has a really cool sink. Everything looks very realistic. Several key items will be carried over into this season, including the pool, Barbie's convertible, and the camper. You can expect to see the Barbie Dreamhouse Adventures episodes in May of 2018. Here are more items coming from Barbie. That ice cream cart is super cute. And who doesn't love all the pet stuff? There are several Barbie career playsets. There is a medical van that is fully equipped to handle everything the dolls may need. I see crutches and a stretcher. There is even an x-ray machine on the side. There is a Barbie teacher playset that is super cute. I love the chalkboard. And if you look really close, can we get you over here? There is a tiny little hamster on the desk. That is adorable. The pet grooming station and the babies are in stores now. But new is the Barbie beekeeper. There are a lot of cute little bees. And is that honey? There will be a new made-to-move Barbie baseball player. And the farmer is new. She comes with a tractor and several little animals. That is going to be some really fun playtime. Here are some of the career dolls that are available in individual packs. Barbie and Crayola. This is one of the best combinations ever because it combines dolls and crafts. Barbie Fashionistas. You can expect to see a lot of amazing fashion. I can see Super Mario, DC superhero girls. There's this cute little blue dress from Hello Kitty and this one from Mario. And there are new Barbie Fashionistas. They have new fashion, new skin tones, and gotta love the hair. That's how we play. I am here with my friends and we're dancing. We can feel all the obstacles go away. That's how we play. Barbie is cooking in the kitchen with these new playsets. And she's using Barbie dough, as we've seen in the Barbie Pizza Chef playset. That was a lot of fun. Then Stacy is going to be using it to make waffles. That is going to be awesome! And here we have a full kitchen where Barbie can create all kinds of meals for her friends and her sisters. And of course, they're going to need fresh veggies, which Chelsea will happily provide in her garden. And Barbie has partnered with Tinker, where you can go online and learn about STEM and coding, and have fun while learning about Barbie's careers. Thank you you for joining us while we took a look at what's new from Barbie.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Blog.
And we will see you next time. Bye!